Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you an unboxing of the Scrap Diva Designs February 2025 release. You can find this die set at scrapdivadesigns.com starting February 1st, 2025 and get a 10% discount using my code Shabby10. All the details will be listed in the description box below. Let's get started. Here we have some heart clip tags. There are 4 different sizes, ranging from large all the way to a tiny heart size. And next we have some baker themed dies, and this one is called shaker measuring spoons. There's 4 different sizes ranging from large to small, and you can have an option of putting little beads or little glitter sequins and polymer clay pieces in these spoons, and there's a little hole here to put a loop so you can loop all these measuring spoons together. It's super neat looking, and yeah, you can make it into a shaker, which is really cool. And next we have this baker gnome. This baker gnome is so adorable. It's a girl gnome, and it has this like a pony or a pigtail on each side of its body or the head, and the chef's hat here, along with a rolling pin, a measuring cup, a little button for its chef's hat, and also the nose and the hands come with it, and the apron. I believe here's the apron, and it's just so totally cute. And next up we have this chef hat mini album. This chef hat mini album comes with the stitched outline and also another backing, and this makes it another layering piece on top of the hat. And next up we have this double stitched heart nesting set. This double stitch heart nesting set has 2 stitches, which is quite different, and yeah, it's heart shaped. It looks like there's something in the middle here too. It's another heart probably. So there's like 4 of them. And here we have, this one is called Shabby Chic Circle Mini Album. It's pretty shabby. I love this kind of details, and it also includes a middle smaller one here. And it's great for framing portraits or making little landscapes in here. And yeah, it's really cool. Next up we have this really neat Valentine heart mini album. It's like supersized. This heart first appeared in the previous release, January. Look how big it is. It's like as big as my hand. And there's another piece in the back that cuts out this part here, and it's a layering piece to make it look more dimensional, and it's super cool, and I just so excited, can't wait. And I'm gonna use Scrap Diva Designs Love Struck paper collection with all those ephemeras on here. It'll look super cute. And here I'm like super excited to show you this one. It's called the 3D tier tray. It's actually 3D, and you can put stuff inside this tier tray, and this tier tray has 3 levels, and it's just so awesome. I just can't wait to make this and show it to you. I have all these little, I don't know, you can put a lot of paper embellishments inside here, any projects, and it's good for like happy mail or snail mail, anything like that, swaps, and or you could like use it as your a tier tray, like for your you know, these little you know, I don't know, these unboxing kind of things that I'm into. And yeah, you can add those in there as a display unit. I have this like troll. It's so cute. I got this at I got this at Miniso as a blind like capsule kind of thing. I think they're all sold out now, but anyways, yeah, that's where I got it. And it's so cute, this tray. It's so awesome. It has many more dies behind here to make this tray. It's super elegant. It has this detail on the side of the tray, which is pretty. And yeah, it looks like, yeah, scrolls or something like that. And next up we have these Amaryllis Flower Set. It's so super pretty. I just love the size of this, and I started punching them out, and here's a sample of it. It's not done yet, but let me see if I can put it on a different backdrop. It's like this, sort of like this. And it looks like it has 3 different sizes and of the petals, so you could, you know, layer it. And it's, I just love the size of this flower. And it comes with 4 leaves here, and the leaves have details on it too, and the backing of the leaf, so it's so super pretty. And I was like analyzing this flower online, and like an actual picture of the amaryllis, and it's so pretty. There's so many different patterns to this flower, so I just can't wait to show you what I'm gonna do with this flower. And it has all these details in there too. Okay, let's move on to this paperclip set. This paperclip set looks so cool. It has, I love the scalloped edge here, and also it has so it's like a big size and a small size, and I love how it has the stitched background here where you could put it in the middle here, so you can add more things on here. Super adorable. And you could put it in your planner, journal, and it's just so awesome. And next up we have this heart planter pick. It's so cool. Yeah, it could go into like any of your boxes, and have this sticking out like a sign kind of thing. For Valentine's Day, any occasion is wonderful too. It doesn't necessarily have to be Valentine's Day. And yeah, it's so super cute. It's like a small and a large pick. So awesome. Yeah, if you have like any other 3D projects, you could put this in. It doesn't necessarily have to be in 3D projects. It could just be on a greeting card or whatever it is that you're making. And it's great for swaps and happy mail, snail mail, all sorts of things. And here we have this love bundle nesting set. This love bundle nesting set is so awesome because of these scalloped edges, has hearts in them. So it's like really nice, and it has 3 of them here. 3 different sizes, and they're all nesting together, which is so pretty. It looks really nice for portraits or little scenery in here. It's really awesome. It could be maybe made into a shaker, but yeah, it has these stitching lines in there too. And here we have a hexagon double stitched, and it's so awesome how there's so many layers here. There must be at least 8 to 10 layers in here. And it's double stitched again, which is like neat. Yeah. And let's see what else. Yeah, I have some kind of idea for this. I'm not sure how it's going to turn out, but hopefully it'll be awesome. All right, and now we have this last one here. This one is called Tumbler Stamp Set number 2. So this is based on the tumbler that came out last year. It's like a cutting die, and it came with a stamp set number 1. Now there's a stamp set number 2, and it's so awesome. The tumbler cutting die looks like this, and it's like super size, like this, like probably like this size here, and you can put these wordings on your tumbler to personalize it. So the stamp set number 1 is really awesome too, because it has all these different, you know, wordings that could suit like whichever, like, you know, friend that you want to send this tumbler to, and it's just personalized. It's really neat. You can customize it however way you like it, and it's so cool. And so now we have the stamp set number 2, and it says, "Good vibes, you had me at craft store. I put the pro in procrastinate, craft or feel, with love, handmade for you, sending good luck vibes." And these stamps are really good quality stamps, and yeah, so awesome. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll link all where you could get these once it becomes available. And don't forget, there's a discount code. My code is PRSGEMIC10, and I'll list it in the box below. Thank you for watching again, and I'll see you next time. Toodaloo!